Mafans a Dada, Sara na Wajoy mathiĩte na mbere na gũkena na kũremwo nĩ kũhitha gĩkeno kĩao, no nĩ thutha wa Dada Sara kũjenerĩta na idea yao acting as teachers, kũrĩa maraportray ũrĩa arimũ mathanaga mathukuru-inĩ back in the society, na oho kuonania ũrĩa arimũ aya matiritaga ciana ũũru na wega depending na the background that they come from. Have a look on some of the funny clips wĩyonere character ĩno.
Ni kukula tu kukula.
Why? Because of when?
Juu mami wito aligatwa na fafa.
What do you mean?
Aligatwa lini?
Again?
Mwalimu, I told you. Do you know I saw her with a mattress kanatosana ulimi, and then I was like,
aliulisana nini?
Walipigana wakiwa babu alikuwa mleu, alikuwa anaambua anunue kidogo analega akaambiwa atapiga roho.
I told you.
Wait, I heard that he has another wife at Kande. Really? Do you know Wanjiro of Mba? Wanjiro Kiamba? Have you heard your mother complaining because if you don't care, you will have a stepmother?
Stepmother is what?
That woman.
You know Wajiro? Have you heard your mother say Wajiro?
Yes, it's bad woman.
Can you go and sit down?
Can you sit down?
We said what? We said what? Apple.
What is the school motto? Strive to excel. Do you love your handy teacher?
Yes.
Yeah, they are learning.
Salama sana mwalimu.
Thank you. And you come learning.
Come sit here.
You saying now, what is your chocho saying when your mother went? Also, did she carry clothes?
My mommy is carrying clothes and clothes, and my social is saying my mom go or go forever.
They don't want to see your mom.
Yes.
Okay, go and stand there. Go and join the rest.
Sometimes that woman, she brings her issues at school. We also got issues.
I heard that the husband went and slept outside, and that's why the head teacher is complaining to us.
My question is, he the first man to sleep outside? It is normal.
Also?
Yeah, she should not. Again, I tell them, you see, mwalimu.
Reverend Jane, karaoke. Why are you not at home yet? What is the veka?
Is that a motto on your neck? Huyu mtoto nilikwambia hiki. We say there is no vernacular even if you are at home.
Uniform. Remove that uniform. Now you know.
Yeah.
When are we closing?
I think we are going for a midterm because...
Kalanja. Release that hand. Why are you coupling?
But that is the sister.
Oh, that's the sister.
Yeah, they are not coupling. Yeah.
She came out of Saudi Arabia.
You know the mother went to Saudi Arabia.
Also the mother?
Yeah. But even the mother is... Now he lives with the grandfather.
Oh.
Because the grandmother also went to Saudi Arabia. And then I was asking myself, at 80 years, unatafuta nini Saudi Arabia?
What are you doing in Saudi?
Hata utakaa miaka gapi? You know, sometimes it is good.
Oh, I thought they are coupling.
No, they are not coupling.
Oh.
Angalia hizi umbwa.
Dog is of who?
Imagine hii ni ya Mr. Gatia hii.
Nani nafanya nje zai?
Wewe, you dog, can you stop coupling?
Why is it coupling?
Imagine. Hii ndio inajaza umbwa hii hapa.
This is Mwangi. He wasn't using me. Like, I am saying.
Mr. Mwangi.
Yeah. Imagine. It's more like, I love you, I love your chest.
I love your hair.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mrs. Waweru.
This week I will be the teacher on duty. I expect total cooperation from you. Let me not catch you on the long side of the school because utaenda nyumbani. Wewe karaoke wewe? You cannot resent a teacher. Okay. Mrs. Mogo.
Yes, please.
I almost forgot. No using panya root. Nasikia Jane. Njukwanu is just here. Let me not catch you. Over to you, Mrs. Mogo.
Good morning, school.
Good morning, Mrs. Mogo.
Yes, last week we will be together with Mrs. Wawero here.
Yes.
So we will be the teachers on duty. And God, me not remind you again. If you are on your periods, please look for a female teacher and tell them, don't loiter around, knowing very well. Don't loiter around, knowing very well that your dress, you have messed it.
Yeah.
Isn't it, girls?
Yes, madam.
Have you heard me, Wajiro?
Yes.
Yes, and today we have been saying every day, there is no coupling.
Coupling.
Lakini inaigilia hii masikio inatokea hii ingine.
Jerry, why are you laughing?
Miss Jashasha.
Unakuwa kikapo. Let me see your name here, you will go home.
I have the list. We have people there looking at you. We have our eyes there.
They are all of us.
Yes. There is this Magdalena Ann, Ed Wawero, Peter Wawero. Si kwa sababu watu unaitwa Wes, ufikiria mtasida coupling hapa. Wawero, baba yako anasida akitafuta nyuki.
Inamusa uso.
Inamusa uso?
Light.
Badala ya usome baba yako ni kuraswa tu na nyuki akitafuta asali usome. But unataka kuweka Magdalena miba. Can I see you in my office? There is this, the other one.
Merekega and James Mwehia.
Now, you look like your name.
Mwehia. Merekega ni matiti tu unalefusa. So you see you are going to seduce teachers and James Mwehia. I are in the office and then down.
There is this Philomena Rogoro and Onesmus Karanja.
Sasa sikia. Philomena Rogoro, your mother and we go to the same choir. Na nasikianga kiomba ile masida iko nyumbani. Instead of learning, you are here coupling. Hizi unajua zimeguzwa miaka ngapi? Zimelala chini usikizi ziko nayo.
Ask them again, Mrs. Wawero.
I are in the office.
We were also there. Don't think at sisi tuliruka your stage. Cyrus Morevi and Regina. You think we don't know what you are doing? Stop coupling. Can you go in the office? Yes, dismiss.
That's all for today.
That's all for today. We meet in the classes.
Hebu kibia office.
Wewe hiyo mguu ulifanya nini?
Movement by learning. Can you learn?